Hi guys, it's Miss Hiller again. I'm here going over Wednesday Schoology. So Miss Hiller might not be with you today, but I am thinking about you and I want to make sure that you're focused, getting prepared for our next CCA. So today I'm going to do 3 questions again with you. Remember, you click on video 1, you're going to do it with me. Then 2 and 3, you have to go back to Wednesday Schoology to do numbers 2 and 3, all right? And I hope you're behaving for whoever's taking care of you right now. So here we go. Number 1, Jingles the Clown makes balloon animals at children's birthday parties. He uses 5 balloons to make each animal. Which table shows the number of balloons Jingles uses for different numbers of animals? So the great thing about this problem, boys and girls, is that they gave you the pattern. You just now have to use it. So remember, we're going to use a sheet of paper. So go right now. You're going to pause this video and either get your notebook or a sheet of paper. Go. All right, I'm glad you came back. Miss Hiller got her notebook, and she's going to start on letter A. Again, my pattern is times 5. So I have 5 times 5. And I use my paper for my strategies, okay? So when you get 5 times 5, you choose the strategy you want. Miss Hiller's going to use her T-chart. I know I'm moving fast. So if I am, we discussed this yesterday, you pause and show your own work. All right, my product is 25. So I can put a check mark because that one checks out. But now I got to move on to 8. I need to do 8 times 5. Well, guess what? If I use the same T-chart, I can go to 8. And guess what? It does not check out because 5 times 8 is 40. So let me check that table. Is it 40? No, they put 35, so that one does not check out. So I know that letter A, I need to cross out. Again, remember, if I'm moving too fast, you pause so you can show your work. Let's go to letter B. 5 times 5, I already know, is 25. I just did 8 times 5, and I know it's 40. Now I need to work on 11 times 5. So let me move my camera. I'm going to use my same T-chart I already created. But this time I'm going to go to 11. So look, Miss Hiller's just stretching her T-chart out, right? And I have my pattern going here. Hey, I'm at 55. So let's see. Is 11 times 5 55 in the chart? Let me see here. Is this 55? No, so that one does not check out. See how I have to check every number to make sure it's multiplied by 5? So let's go to letter C. 5 times 5, I know is 25, so that one checks out. 8 times 5, I know is 40 from my T-chart. Remember the T-chart? 40. And 11 times 5, I just checked it. 11 times 5 is 55. So that one also checks out. You know what? Letter C checks out. So that one's a maybe. Can you push pause and try to do letter D on your own? You know it's already wrong, right? Because we know C checks out. But I would like for you to practice, and I want you to find the mistake. Just like we did check mark, X, or check mark, check mark, check mark. Take the time to find which one is the mistake, and Ms. Hiller will wait for you as you pause and show your work. All right, boys and girls, thank you for showing your work. You should have seen that the first one does not check out. You should have seen that the middle one does not check out, and only the last one checks out. So you know that letter D will not work. Now, go ahead and go back into Schoology Wednesday and click on question number 2.